Hi, my name is FERNANDEZ-CARDENAS and I'm going to talk about my goal timeline. I hope you enjoy this presentation. First of all, I want to talk about me. My name is FERNANDEZ-CARDENAS. Like I said before, I'm 20 years old. My bachelor degree is in preschooler education and I'm in my second year of college. I want to present you my short-time goals. The first one is finish the semester with good grades, and the solution or the option that I'm gonna use to do it is establish excellent grades to continue with next year. The second one is start my third year of college with enthusiasm and determination. And for that, I'm gonna culminate the second year of college with excellent grades and satisfaction because satisfaction is important to finish a year of college. And the third one is gonna be make the decision if I want to add a second concentration to my bachelor degree. And that second concentration will be child literature. And the solution or option to do that is determined is within my capabilities to add a second concentration because I have to reflect that I'm capable of adding more responsibilities. Not often long-term goals are finish my bachelor degree in preschool education, and the option will be an determined responsible student will culminate in college. The second one is start teaching preschool children and provide them with my knowledge. And the option will be finish my long journey through college and complete my studies in early childhood education because I want to be a professional in my career. And the third one, and it's my professional dream of all, is establish a community center with which provide help and support to different communities on the island. And that will be completing my university and becoming a professional. I want to establish some work and some activities of my career, and after I want to establish the community center. That's my professional dream of all. In this slide, I'm presenting you the poem that I choose to reflect on my short and large goals. It's Walt Whitman, A Dream in a Dream. I dream in a dream. I saw a city invisible to the attacks of the whole rest of the earth. I dreamed that there was the next new city of friends. Nothing was greater there than the quality of robots' love. I led the rest. And that's Walt Whitman. And the analysis. In the line from Walt Whitman poem I Dream in a Dream, he quotes, I dreamed I was the new city of friends. Nothing was greater there than the quality of sturdy love it leads to rest. And with that verse, I identify with my dream of building a community center that can provide service to different societies and communities, to have the dream of being able to create a place where one feels safe, cared, and fulfilled. Because my very dream is to create this home for every people that need food, that need rest, that need the choices that I could give them what I want and what I want to do and want to give to the people. And that's the bibliography of the poem that I present. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. And that's all.